Hey guys, this is Chris and welcome to your Business Bud. In this video, I'm going to share to you 4 important things you should know when doing affiliate marketing on Facebook. And if this is your first time on this channel and you're interested in making money online and knowing how to do affiliate marketing the right way, consider hitting that subscribe button and clicking that bell, because I'm going to share with you tips and strategies that can help your online business leapfrog to a higher level. I promise you, together we can. A few years ago, I failed in 4 businesses. It is very frustrating and depressing. My biggest mistake was thinking I know all I needed to know to succeed. I jumped right in. But that experience, of course, made me smarter. I realized that success leaves clues. Successful people already left a pathway. We just need to discover it. So when I started in affiliate marketing 3 years ago, I seek out mentors first. I search for people that are not just doing great, but are making a serious killing. The super affiliates. I found a few and I immediately studied them. I reached out to them. I invested in myself and bought their courses. If I hadn't done that, I would not have discovered these 4 important tips I'm going to share to you today. I can see a lot of beginners make mistakes, especially in advertising on Facebook, just because they don't know some of these tips. First of all, the number one thing when it comes to your advertising on Facebook is on your Facebook ads, okay? Don't try to sell to people from the Facebook ad. You never want to do that. Don't say, hey, you can lose weight here, or you can earn huge commission here, or you can get your dream girl using this, blah blah blah. The most important thing you can do on your Facebook ad is simply to get people to click on it. That's it. So what do you need to do? It is called social media for a reason. So keep it social, keep it light, make people to click over, spark their curiosity. On your ad copy, you can say things like, oh wow, I can't believe the results I've seen in the last 2 weeks by using this unconventional method. Click the link below and see how I did it. Or, man, my friends and family can't stop talking about the difference in my energy, my mood, and how I feel when I started using this. Just talk about social stuff. Kind of have that party trick where if you're in a party with somebody, you are telling them something about the product or conversation with someone, you wouldn't say, hey, you know, these 7 ingredients made a difference into my metabolism. No, you don't say that, right? You would say, hey, you know what? I've been doing this program for a little while and I feel great. I feel amazing. Here's what I've been doing. That's the type of tone you'd have. Same thing when it comes to your ad. Get people to have that social kind of setting because you're on a social platform, which is Facebook. They see that social language, they see that image which sparks curiosity but also makes them think what's going on. That will make a huge difference when it comes to them clicking over to your ads, okay? If you're trying to sell someone right off the bat, they're gonna sense that, and they're not going to click over and buy. The second thing that you need to keep in mind when it comes to your affiliate marketing is do not take money, your profit, out of your ad spending budget. The problem with that is when that money is gone, you will not have enough funds on your spending budget, your advertising budget, and you won't be able to scale up. Eventually, yes, you're gonna pull some cash out and you're gonna be able to do some nice things and be able to have a better quality of life. That is why we're doing this, right? But you want to keep some money on your advertising budget So you keep spending so you can test out other offers, because when you test out another offers, probably it's going to cost you $500 to $1,000 just to test out that offer and kind of find out the right combination of ads and landing pages and offers, right? So you need to have that kind of advertising budget set aside. So make sure you do that, because if you don't, you're going to hurt your business and not be able to scale as quickly as you want to. It is all about cash flow in this business, okay? And the other reason why is because most affiliate network like ClickBank or software projects, they'll pay you sometimes on a bi-weekly basis. So if you get paid every other week, that can definitely hurt your cash flow. So it's very important that you keep enough money on your bank account and in your credit card so you can keep those ads running, because if you run out of cash flow, you cannot run your ads, right? The third thing that you need to keep in mind is make sure to ask the product owner that you're working with what is their average refund rate is. Say for example, you don't want to keep running ad for a product because your margin is about 30%, which is good, but only to later find out that the product has a refund rate of 25%. Now, if your margin is 30% in profit and you will lose 25% of that profit, you will be left with 5%, which is still okay because you made a few bucks, but still, it is not where you want to be. But what if the refund rate is higher than your profit margin? Then that is a total loss for you in terms of time and money you invested to that product. And finally, the last thing you should know when you start in affiliate marketing is affiliate contest. Affiliate contests are a huge thing. A lot of product owners will do affiliate contests. Most of the affiliate contest participants are doing email stuff. But if you have a great Facebook plan, you can do a lot of cool stuff and you can get a lot of sales out of it. So if you know that someone is running an affiliate contest, that is the perfect time to start scaling up your ads. Affiliate contest will give you, first place, say $5,000 or $10,000 or a Rolex watch. Those are the things you can actually get when you get included in the top 10 of an affiliate contest. Keep that in mind because that also adds up to your margin. Say for example, you get some profit from your advertising campaigns on Facebook, which is great, but then you got a bonus on top of that from affiliate contest, and that's even better, right? That's it. Those are the things you need to know when you start affiliate marketing, and hopefully it helps you out. If it does, just give this a little thumbs up. That will help this video rank so it can reach others too. I want you to treat this like a business. Have systems in place because it can be very profitable and it can change your life in a short period of time. You can go from not making enough money to making thousands of dollars a day, literally just spending an hour or two on your computer a day, just tweaking ads once things are moving. And if you have something in mind or something to share that you feel might help others, please put it on the comment section down below. I'll share more super affiliate hacks and tips with you on my next videos, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you'll know when it's ready. Until then, thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.